that have just completely inundated the markets all across the globe. There has not been one single Indian chain that has been able to do so thus far. Do you think Haldiram can take the lead and spearhead this complete transformation in the way the world consumes Indian food by way of fast food chains?
So thank you so much, Megha, for inviting me for today's program. So being a food technologist, I must say that you are raising a very important topic today that is related with the food. So as we know that various major global food brands in London are the McD, KFC is there, Burger King is there, Domino's Pizza is there, Pizza Hut is there, Subway is there. So we are entering now there at the restaurant level. Manufacturing was there of the Haldiram, but now the restaurant are there, and the Haldiram is selling now the chole bhature and the pav bhaji and the thalis and all things which we are getting here in India also. So as all of us are talking about our presence as a restaurant, but my focus, being a food technologist, my focus is on the food safety because that is very much important, and we know that the main food authority of London is known as the world's strictest and the most strong authority. So, like in India, we have FSSAI, there is the FSA, the Food Standard Agency. So, as if Haldiram is starting its restaurant chain or restaurant there, and in future it will start the various chains also. So we can say that as according to the laws of London, so they are implementing the food safety laws there.
Of course they are. That's exactly why they have been given the license to actually operate. The fact is, of course, they need to maintain the standards, and they have been impeccable in maintaining their standards here in India. I don't see a difference in a Haldiram that I go to in say Delhi, and if it's largely different from a Haldiram in Punjab or Rajasthan or Haryana or many other parts, or in Dubai as well. So on that point, let me get in Rakhi Jain as well. So Rakhi, again, it